This is to introduce GenSorter's model BCM standalone egg counter. To begin operation, after the parts are attached, turn the controller to the on position. The other controller functions we'll address at a later time. Then start the water flow. Slow it first and allow the tank to fill. While the tank is filling, choose the insert you would like to use. Your eggs should occupy about 80% of the hole in the insert tubes. As the tank is filling with water, we want to dislodge any air bubbles that are in the detection chamber. This can be done with the probe that's supplied by teasing along the sides of the chamber to dislodge those air bubbles. Then place the insert in the bottom of the egg counter. Increase the water level in the tank to just below the top of the insert. Fine adjustment of the water level can be made by rotating the discharge pipe to a lower or higher position. Once the water flow is stable in the counting tank, it's time to calibrate. Pull the mode switch out into the down position. In a couple seconds, the display should say counter calibrated, ready to count. Move the mode switch back to the count position. You'll notice there are 4 numbers on the screen, 3 across the top and 1 on the bottom. The top left number represents the sensitivity setting as adjusted from the front panel. The center number is a target length and only applies to egg counting if you're counting very small eggs. Details for that are in the instruction manual. The right-hand number is a delay between count number and its factory set. It does not need to be adjusted. The bottom number is the egg count that the counter has tallied. It can be reset to 0 by pushing the reset button and holding for at least 2 seconds. Once the counter is zeroed, let it set for at least 2 minutes and make sure that no counts are accumulating without eggs flowing through it. A sensitivity setting of 10 is a good place to start. Introduce a known number of eggs into the egg counter and watch the count accumulate. Assuming we've introduced 100 eggs into the counter, when they're all through, the display should read 100. If not, adjust the sensitivity until you get an accurate count. The lower the sensitivity number, the higher the sensitivity.